Hi friends, today I share 4 important translation. I think these 4 important translation is very important. So I request everyone, please write down in your notebook and keep this important 4 translation in your mind. To be honest, whatever the circumstance, I will try my best teach you. Okay, now let's go. Come to the point. At first, 1 second hold. আমি নাক ঝাড়ছি। প্লিজ 1 second হোল্ড। আমি নাক ঝাড়ছি। আমি কি করছি? নাক ঝাড়ছি। আই অ্যাম ব্লোয়িং মাই নোজ। আমি মাথা চুলকাচ্ছি। I am scratching my head. কি? হেড। আমি গলা বা ঘাড় ঘষছি। I am rubbing my neck. আমি হাই তুলছি। I am yarning. আমি হাত প্রসারিত করছি। I am stretching my arm. I think this 4 important translation is very important for everyone. I think every student they will be follow my YouTube channel. Actually this video is only YouTube channel video, but I share my Facebook profile. Please this 4 important translation you will be must written in your notebook and all time it's a remember. Okay, I think to be honest all time I try my best, whatever that circumstance, I will be try my best to teach you every student or any one person. No problem, it's okay. It's okay. Bye, tata, সবাই ভালো থাকবে।